This is how to properly install your Striker 4 rail mount. This is what you will receive when you purchase the rail mount. You will need to purchase this closet bolt. You can find this at any hardware store. It's a 1/4 inch closet bolt, and you need the nut that comes with it. These parts, your Striker 4 base and the screws come with your Striker 4 when you purchased it. How to install it: first you take the nut from your closet bolt and you insert it into the hex-shaped hole on the top of the rail mount. That just pushes in there. Next, you take the closet bolt and you push it through the bottom hole on the adapter and thread it in. That should thread into the nut and keep this secure. You'll then use this to go onto the rail of your kayak and then twist it to tighten it up into where you want when you have it located. Once you get the closet bolt installed into the rail mount, you'll now take the base from your Garmin Striker 4 Fishfinder and line the holes up on the mount with the holes on the adapter. So you line those up, and then you use the screws that came with your Fishfinder Striker 4 and thread those into the holes on the adapter mount. Now, the first time you do this, the screws are going to be cutting their own threads into the plastic, so it'll be pretty tight, but they should go in. When you do get them threaded in, give it a snug twist, but you don't want to over tighten because you don't want to rip out the threads that are now cut into the plastic. Once you have all 3 of the screws secured, then your mount is ready to use. It should look like that. So you have your 3 screws that come with your Garmin Fishfinder threaded into the holes, into the adapter, and this is how you install it on your kayak. So that will slide onto the rail, and then you'll be able to twist it to tighten it into place, and you'll be ready to go.